It's always fun taking pictures at lakes and waterways. There's always something happening. There's birds to photograph, there's abstracts, there's landscapes, there's all kinds of stuff going on. Here we'll show you how to pick out the really good stuff. Bird photography often calls for really spectacular looking photographic equipment, long telephoto lenses and cameras capable of really quick frame rates. If you're calm and patient though, you can make some really interesting stuff, especially in a setting like this where everything's really hopeful that we're going to feed it. Just by sitting here and waiting, as stuff comes up to us, we can get some really interesting head-on shots or even shots from over the top of our birds against the dark water underneath. Let's see what those look like. So as our birds approach us, for example, we can get some really interesting looking head-on shots of them. If we're over the top of them, we can get some really nice contrasty shots shooting over the top of them against the really black water underneath. There's loads of interesting stuff here if you keep your eyes open for it.